to scream my name. Now every time that she come to the crib, I'ma break her back like I break that bank. I got somebody call her back.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Elle, and I'm back with a Valentine's Day special edition. And for those who do not follow me on social media, the other day I made a post, 4 pictures from Pinterest that I would recreate. And I had some of my friends choose which picture I would do. So, drum roll. I chose picture number 3, if you cannot tell. So yeah, here is the look, and in the next frame you will definitely see how I achieved this look. So yeah, and by the way, since I really can pick which one to do, I'll be doing all 4 pictures. So yay, since I couldn't decide. And I'll be doing a collab with Brushed Out by Tony. That will be on Facebook Live. So if you do not follow me or add me as a friend on Facebook, my name is Trishelle Pretty Brown Skin Herd. You can find me on Twitter as well at L__Janae. And what other? Oh, Instagram. I have 2 Instagrams. My main page is Call Her Elle, and my hair page is Hair by Elle. And those would be right down there. Right down there. So yeah. So yeah, let's get to this video. Hey YouTube, it's your girl El Janae, and I am back with another video. Today I will be showcasing how I do my eyebrows. So